And hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel, Learn a Trade channel. My name is Kevin Tate. Today's broadcast is titled, What is the Purpose of a Suction Accumulator? As you can see, I have a image of a cutout of the typical accumulator. So, so right here, you can see my cursor going around the oil return hole. That's right down here. You can see the arrow pointing to it. And then right at the bottom here, you have your fusible plug. And then up top, you have your inlet port right here. And then over on the top corner, you have your outlet port. So what is the purpose of a suction accumulator? A suction accumulator is used to prevent liquid refrigerant flood back to the compressor. Accumulators are commonly used on heat pumps, transport refrigeration, low temp supermarket refrigeration systems, and any place that liquid refrigerant is a concern. The accumulator is installed in the suction line close to the compressor. Okay. It usually is a vertical container with top connections. That's these inlet and outlet connections right up here. This would be considered your bottom section right over here. The screw, it would screw into the chassis of whatever unit you're using. An internal U-tube reaching down near the bottom is installed on the compressor outlet connection so that the inlet of the tube is near the top of the container. This allows the accumulator to be almost completely full before floodback can occur. A small diameter hole is drilled into the U-tube near its lowest point. That's right down here where you see the oil return hole, right down here. This hole allows the controlled metering of any liquid refrigerant or oil back to the compressor or by a siphoning action. To work best, it is sometimes advisable to have a source of heat on the vessel to assist the evaporating the liquid refrigerant. This may be either like a electric heat tape or pad. Some accumulators have connections so that a liquid line loop can be piped into the bottom of the accumulator. This improves the performance of the system by subcooling the liquid refrigerant and protects the compressor against liquid slugging by providing additional superheat to the suction gas. So this was a short one I just wanted to share with you on suction accumulators. Hopefully this is a help to you. Let me know in comments. If this video is a help to you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful information and resources. I thank you all very much. Please take care and stay well.